This Google Home Mini can be yours, telling you scary stories at night while you rest your little eyes. As long as you subscribe to me and these two channels to find out more. Stay tuned for the giveaway. Goodbye. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Tbl coming at you with a brand new video, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a 500 calorie peanut butter sandwich. Alright everybody, so what you see here is basically all that you need to make a traditional peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Now I know you might want to mix it up a little bit. You might want to use crunchy peanut butter or a different flavor of jam or jelly, or even a different kind of bread. I'm just here to show you guys how to make an exact replica of a 500 plus calorie peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So as you guys can see here, I'm going to start off with the peanut butter. Creamy Jif peanut butter, 7 grams of protein right here. You can see per serving is 190 calories and per serving is 2 tablespoons. Okay, so 2 tablespoons of that will equal up to 380 calories just for the peanut butter alone. Moving on to the jelly or jam, you see I got the Smucker's strawberry jam, 32 ounces in the entire container. Per serving, 50 calories, which is 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon. People get mixed up on how much a tablespoon exactly is. I was too, but I'm gonna show you guys exactly what a tablespoon is so you can know exactly how much you're eating. And finally, I shop at Meijer, so here we have the split top white Meijer bread. Let me see if I get the exact calorie count for you guys right here. 80 calories per serving per slice of bread. 1 slice of bread is in a serving, so that will equate to 160 calories just for bread, jam, and peanut butter. You can add a little bit more of anything that you want to. You want to triple the sandwich, you can add a piece of bread in the middle. I don't know how you guys do it. 2 things of jelly. This is just how you make a 500 calorie sandwich. So we're going to get started. Not really counting the kind of bread. It doesn't really matter what kind of bread to me. I just prefer white bread or potato bread. This is just the cheapest one that I found here. So got our 2 tablespoons here. Open up the peanut butter. As you guys can see, I've banged a lot of that boy. Tablespoon. Peanut butter. This is not a tablespoon. This is a tablespoon. Make sure it's full. That's not really full. Make sure it's full. This is 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. I know it seems like a little bit. This is 1 tablespoon. I lost my train of thought right there. But I know some people, it would be hard to like measure this and then put it on the bread, because like how are you gonna get it off? So get yourself a butter knife or any kind of knife, whichever one you're comfortable with. Put it on the bread. This is not how I usually make it, by the way. I usually just dig in, make sure it's like about 4 tablespoons, but spread it out evenly. Usually put 2 tablespoons per piece of bread. Now that we know that how much a tablespoon is, you can kind of judge how much you put on the sandwich by just using simple back of the spoon. That's about 1 tablespoon, give or take a little bit more than what it's originally supposed to be. Spread that on evenly throughout the sandwich. You don't want too much in one bite. Okay, so this is half of the sandwich. Next up, second half, same thing. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Give or take a little bit more. You guys might go a little bit over the calorie count, but who cares? If you're trying to gain, that's not bad at all. So I'm thinking, I know for a fact I use a little bit more than 2 tablespoons per side of bread. So I might be over that 380 count by the end of the sandwich, just on peanut butter. Okay. So 2 pieces of bread, completely drenched in peanut butter. Next, my favorite part, the strawberry jam. Let's take a smell of that. I've been eating on that too. 1 tablespoon. It's a little thicker than usual. That ain't bad though. Ain't nothing wrong with a little thickness. A little bit too much. About 1 tablespoon of jam. Plop that bad boy on. Get yourself a butter knife or the spoon, whichever way you like it. It's kind of hard to spread. You don't want to really rip your bread as you're spreading the jam or peanut butter. You just want to kind of glide it over a little bit. Make sure it's evenly spread out. Okay. A little bit of ASMR in there. Oh, I hate those videos. But there. Evenly spread out. Now, next thing that you're going to want to do is close everything up. Make sure it stays fresh for your next snack or meal. Jam lid closed, peanut butter lid closed. Keep it nice, tight, and fresh. If you want to add a little bit more, you can. But closing the sandwich. This is my daily routine when making. I just started eating these about 3 days ago, by the way. Peanut butter is our 6-tier rib, and you can get a lot for the amount of money that you spend. I think that this jar was about $3. 32 servings in that jar. This is my peanut butter sandwich. Give you guys the exact count on the screen here. Peanut butter, 2 tablespoons, which equal up to 380 calories. 1 tablespoon of jelly, which calculate up to 50 calories, and 2 pieces of whole white bread, which equal to 160 calories, 80 calories per slice of bread, which brings us to the grand total of 590 calories in just this one sandwich right here. Give or take a little bit more. I'll say I'm peaking over 600 calories because of the, little bit more of peanut butter that I put on the sandwich. But it's a heavy sandwich. It's a dense sandwich. It gets, if you eat more than one, I gotta say it gets a little tiring, but that's why you add yourself a little bit of chocolate milk to easily make it get it down. This is 160 calories per serving. So you're looking at about almost an 800 calorie snack right here. Just with the peanut butter sandwich and the chocolate milk. Chocolate milk is very good. I've been doing a little bit of research. Chocolate milk and eggnog, very good for bulking up. You just don't want to drink like your regular water. Of course you need it. I'm on this sort of water cleanse right now. I'm not even gonna get too deep into that. I'm gonna tell you guys exactly what I'm taking while I'm working out, bulking up. But everything that you see here, this is how you, we forgot the taste test. Here we go. Oh yeah. All in all, that is how you make a 500 calorie peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Although some of you may have already known that or it's useless information to you, but not to me. Like I said, I'm starting up this bulking phase. I'm bulking for this entire winter, maybe through winter also. I just need more. I need more weight on my bones. This is what I'm basically going to be living off of, along with chocolate milk and various other foods, which I will be telling you guys through the entire process. Maybe even the supplements that I'm taking, the protein shake that I'm drinking, and the type of workouts that I'm doing, to get your boy bulked up. But like I said previously in all of my videos that I've been preaching, we are doing a giveaway. Now, I know I said in my previous video we're going to get the exact rules up soon, which we are. This is one of the various prizes that you can win from this not competition giveaway. This is a free Google Home Mini. It's still in the box. I didn't open it yet. This can be yours. Okay, so just stay tuned, subscribe to me, JB Collectible Kicks, Tay from Robin Tay, and stay tuned for the exact rules of what you got to do to win one of these prizes. This is it. This is actually the worst prize that we're giving away, and it's a piece of technology that you can win. Okay, so everybody stay tuned. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.